To recap, opposite qualities balance the season. Stillness steadies movement. Warmth softens coolness. And rhythm quiets restlessness. Now let's talk about the breath. Your breath is the bridge between the mind and the body. And in autumn, it's your best tool for calm. For example, Ujjayi breath, the victorious breath, is perfect here. Its steady, wave-like rhythm builds inner warmth and quiet strength, a gentle victory over distraction, restlessness, and self-doubt. You can integrate Ujjayi into your yoga practice you can integrate Ujjayi into your yoga posture practice, or even use it when you go for a walk, letting your breath move in a slow, steady rhythm with your steps. It warms from within and helps you stay centered when the world feels quick and unpredictable. And if Ujjayi feels too strong, just keep the breath soft and even. Think of it as simmering, not boiling. When you step onto your mat this season, think of every movement as a way to steady yourself. Start with standing poses. The warriors or triangle, side angle, they are all perfect. As you press the ground away with your feet, feel the strength travel up through your legs, into your hips, pelvis, and lower back. That's what grounding really is. Energy moving downwards so you can rise from stability, not strain. Tree pose is another example, a wonderful way to steady your focus. Keep your gaze low and soft. And if you're having one of these wobbly days, near a wall for support. Remember, the goal isn't stillness in the body, it's steadiness in the mind. Next, bring in some gentle forward folds like Paschimottanasana or Janu-Shirshasana. They calm the nervous system and soften and center scattered energy. Don't forget the back bends. They are often misunderstood in the autumn practice. We tend to think of them as energizing, but when done slowly and consciously, they actually open the chest, create space for the breath, and help the body release tension held across the front line, especially around the heart and the belly. Even a soft cobra or bridge pose can make you feel both grounded and expansive at the same time. And not to forget, legs up the wall. This one's pure medicine and my absolute must-do everyday pose. The entire upper body is grounded and supported by the earth. The heart relaxes, the breath deepens, and it brings a wave of calm through the whole system. Stay there for a few minutes, as long as you can. No effort, no agenda, just rest. If you finish your practice feeling heavier, warmer, and not in a hurry to move on, that's your cue that you have found your autumn balance.